Hey bosses, it's Nina, and it's time to talk about Instagram. Specifically, how to upload or post on Instagram from your PC desktop. It's 2019, people. You have to find a way around stuff, and that's what I'm getting ready to show you, how to actually bypass your phone and do it from your desktop. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your comments. I love comments. I try to get back to all of them. My name is sociallynina, and I'm here to help you kind of tackle your tech when it comes to all of these new features. So let's dive right in. So obviously I'm on Instagram, and you're thinking, oh yay, I'll go through and I'll like and I'll comment and I'll save and I'll download. How do I upload though? I have the solution. So there's these things called Google Chrome extensions. What those are basically ways to add features to your Google Chrome and add little kind of like mini apps, like having a phone and having these mini apps. So if you look in the top right hand corner, I have a ton of apps or extensions. The extension I want to talk about today is right here. It's called Web for Instagram. It's one of the two Instagram extensions that I use. The other one here is called IG Stories for Instagram. I have a video on how to watch IG Stories and lives on my channel. I'll leave the link below. But today we're going to concentrate on Web for Instagram. The way you get it is super duper easy. You're just going to head over to your Google Chrome extensions or your chrome.google.com/web store. And when you head over to the extensions categories, you'll see all of these things that you can install. Now, you can just search for the word Instagram and it will come up with a lot of them. Believe me, I've been testing these over the last couple days. Not all extensions are created equal. The one that we want is called Web Instagram. And actually, let me make sure I put it in correctly. Web for Instagram. And I believe there's like two of these also. So I'll make sure and leave the link below so you get the right one. This is the one that we're looking for. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. You would basically have a button that says add to Chrome. You may have to close and reopen your Chrome after that, but then it's basically installed here. All right. So let's jump in. So first I'm going to teach you how to upload the Instagram, your images to Instagram, but then I'm going to actually go through this app so you can see everything that it has to offer, because it's a lot more than just an app that can post from your desktop. Okay, jumping in, here it is at the bottom. I could simply click on the plus here, and I'm going to pick the first image that I see. I know it's blurry. I don't care. You can actually change it just like you would on your phone. You can flip it. I don't know why I all of a sudden thought of BBD. Flip it, rub it out. Oh no. All right. So at the bottom, it's hidden. I actually didn't think these were here, but you do have your filters here. So that looks a little better, right? You can use your filters and they have them here at the bottom. If you don't see all of your items at the bottom, you can use your right and left arrows to go back and forth. I can't do it because every time I do that, it's actually stopping my video from recording. It's a shortcut key, which I need to change. Anyways, so I have my filter here. I just click on next, and just like anything else, you can click on right, add location, and you can tag people, which I love. Now, couple of things. You can actually add your alt text by clicking on advanced, right? If you don't know what alt text is, it's basically the same thing that's on your websites, your WordPress sites, your images. It's basically the initial reason for it is for helping people who may be hard of seeing or have a disability. It's going to read what's in the image. So you're going to describe what's in the image. Now, as an internet marketer, and on top of helping a community, what you can do is describe your image, and it's also an SEO option to make sure people can find your image. In other words, everything is searchable. You guys always hear me say that, but basically, if someone's looking for a digital marketing consultant, you can put that into your alt text as well as your name. All right, not going to get into that. If you want more details on that, you can hit me up. Now, tagging people, adding location, all good things, adding your little hashtags, all of that's fine. I'm not going to post this. It's going to mess up my actual theme, but I'm going to go back and notice I can go back. There's a couple ways you can go back here. go back there. I'm actually going to click on the X so I can delete that. So there you go. I answered the question, but let me go in deeper so you can see what this app is about and why I consider this one of the best best Instagram extensions for Chrome. All right. So at the top, I can actually watch lives. I'm not going to click on this. I don't know who this is. I can go through stories. What I like about this over the other extensions is that I can actually go through without using my arrows at the top. I can actually just use my mouse. A lot of times you're just stuck with these. Okay. This night mode, I'm going to go right to left. The night mode I like because it's a little darker, right? I could do everything that I need on my feed. So I could like and comment and send it in DMs and also save it. I save a lot of items. So this is great there. I'm going to go back to the top here. A couple of other things. You can go into your DMs. I'm going to spare you my DMs. Some are great. Some are just like people from other countries who want to be my sugar daddy or my African prince. So I'll let you skip those for now. The next one is your IGTV. So I usually go to the website to upload IGTV videos. I never upload IGTV from my phone, but notice there's a little app. It looks just like the website. So it gives you the opportunity to upload your IGTV videos here as well. So not just posting from your feed, you have IGTV there, and if you want to do stories, you can do it here. Now here's my caveat. I've tried stories. In fact, let me show you. I hate the way it looks. Right? It says rotate your device to add to a story. I can't rotate my device. In fact, I can't even go back. So this is the only part of the app I really don't like. So I am going to close and reload it. All right, here's how you refresh your feed. And again, your left and right buttons, and then everything you need below. So for instance, if I want to look through hashtags or anything else, I can click on the search. This is basically like Instagram, but for your desktop, right? I love that I can download images. So you can repost and reuse and repurpose information. It's just a great app. So let me know if you're going to use it. Let me know if you want more Instagram desktop tips. I've been working from my desktop a lot, so I've been kind of trying out these apps as well as other apps and other features. And also in general, what do you want to learn about Instagram? Because I'm all over it. And if you really want to dive deep into Instagram, go ahead and head over to pinkbossacademy.com and you can actually dive in. I'm doing courses for YouTube as well as Instagram. Let me know if you have any questions. Ciao.